You know what time it is. It's dime time. Hey everybody, it's Rob with Rob Finds Treasure, and we've got a box of dimes here, but it's not really a box per se. Yes, the dimes are inside of a box, and yes, it is a full amount that would fill a box, but we got 100 from one bank, 100 from another bank, and 50 from the last bank. So 3 banks, 250 in dimes, filled up this box that I always keep around in stock, and we're ready to hunt it. The good news is we've got about $95 in customer wrapped, and then we've got $155 in machine wrapped. So I'm going to start with the machine wrapped from bank 1, move into the customer wrap plus the 1 machine wrapped from bank 2, and we'll cap it off with the 3rd bank all machine wrapped. That was a Chase, and a Wells Fargo. So I know what banks they're from. I've got them in order. We're ready to hunt them and see if we can find some silver, some proofs, some better Roosevelt dimes to finish my collection. And of course, we're always looking for a few varieties and airs as well. Oh, and we'll take a foreign or two. That being said, let's get started. Roll 33, guys, and it's been slow going. We're on the customer wraps. I am still pulling out some pretty good dimes from the 60s and 70s. Probably more work than I need to do, but I want to do it. We did find a pretty cool 33 stamped on a 1980 Denver dime, which I thought was cool. But I bring you in because Roll 33, and I was looking at it, and I believe right there we got something interesting right here. So let's get this turned around. Hopefully I still have it. I do. I think I see a Merc. I do. It's a last year Mercury dime, just a 1945, but it's in pretty good shape. I don't think there's a mint mark. Let's see. Yeah, no mint mark, but it's not in bad shape, and we found silver, and it's a Merc. Awesome. So we've got a Mercury dime. That makes me excited. That means these rolls weren't hunted and put back, and I hadn't found anything in most of those rolls. So there's still a chance if we found one, there could be more. Let me finish this roll, and I'll loop you back in if we find something worth showing. Roll 46, guys, and I think we're going to get another silver. And this is in a machine wrap this time. And it was at my last grocery store, Wells Fargo Bank, when I got my half dollars. Late. It's got a D mint mark. 56D. Man, we've had some scores with dimes lately. It's like 2 every box. I used to get none. I'll look through that, and we'll finish up those rolls and see if we can find one more. And then I've got to filter out the best of those and upgrade my book. All right, guys, that box of dimes hunted. And we did get a bunch of new ones in the last few rolls, which sucks. We ended up with a kind of a cool counter-struck 33 1980p dime. And then 2 more silvers. Can't believe we got another Mercury, 1945 out of Philadelphia, and a 1956 Rosie out of Denver. I don't need either of them for my books. We already have a 56D, and they're both in trashy shape, so it doesn't really matter. I was able to find, if you watched my last hunt, the 69p that I needed, and the 73p, and they were in bad shape, and I updated about, or upgraded I should say, about 12 others from the 70s, 60s, and 80s, so that's good. This book is basically all complete for the clad, except for the silver. And I need 4 silvers on this page, and a bunch on the first page, as you can see. But it's from coin roll hunting, so we'll keep at it, and we'll add those to the silver stack, and enjoy another dime box yielding some silver. Hopefully you enjoyed this dime hunt with me. I know it was a lot of finds. It was a lot of fun. And like I said, 2 more silvers. If you did, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting. And thanks for watching.